what to use your talents for? Start bringing handmade ideas to life. Check out bright cases, stylish interior decor, and much more in our new video about crafting life hacks. I wonder what the blue-eyed girl is up to. She has been breaking tree branches for the last 30 minutes. Maybe she wants to make a nest for herself, or a raft, or maybe she wants to make a new Pinocchio. No, the truth is way simpler. She's making a decorative cup. Place branches of the same length onto a balloon. Hot glue them to each other, replicating the balloon shape. Cover the balloon with branches so that you get a basket. Take the balloon out. Color the branches with spray paint. Put a string of lights inside. The blue-eyed girl is satisfied with her DIY. She managed to make an amazing Garland vase. Let's take a picture and post it on Locker Shop. It's an app that lets you buy, sell, and trade with your friends and classmates. On Locker Shop, you can find anything they want: clothes, makeup, DIYs, and games. My DIY vase has just been sold. It's amazing! Now let's sell my homemade scrub. Incredible! My DIYs are getting popular. Set up a place with your friends, meet up, and trade your DIYs for money. Go on! Download Locker Shop. Invite everyone you know. Find a link in the description. We thank Locker Shop for sponsoring this video. Samantha scrolls through her Instagram feed looking for new stylish things to try out, and her friend Jackie has already brought some new things along. These are super creative pins. Take a plastic food container. Trace an image of your phone screen on the plastic cap using a black permanent marker. Cut it out and put it into an oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute. The plastic shrinks. Glue a badge pin to the small picture and color it with acrylic paints. The badges look awesome. Samantha wishes she had some of her own. Jackie gladly shares with her friend. She has a whole collection of these pins. Because they are so easy to make, the only thing you need is a plastic container. On the one hand, it looks very nice. On the other hand, now we know how to give old plastic new life. The girls are doing a crafting session. What should we make today? The blue-eyed girl's phone needs a new case immediately. It's a great reason to get creative. We've got threads and beads. What should we make? A knitted case or a phone bracelet? I've got a better idea. Cover a clear phone case with spray paint. Heat up a needle and make holes in the case in the shape of a heart. Pass red thread through them in no particular order. A heart with threads is so romantic. My friend should try her hand at knitting too. She wants to make a Dreamcatcher. We will need a clear case and a big round earring. Press the fastener on the earring with pliers. Apply stationery glue and tie thread around the fastener. Attach a bead at the top. Tie one more thread around the base and fasten the ends with glue and start making a net. Make ties around the entire perimeter of the ring. Add threads of different colors. Tie symmetrical knots and leave the center free for the camera hole. Tie long strings to the bottom and braid them. Add a bead and a feather to the center. Make a few braids. Add sequins and rhinestones. Decorate the braids with rings at the sides and a feather. Color the case with silver and yellow paint. Decorate it with stars and glue the Dreamcatcher. Our cases look great on our phones. Complex yarn work decorates our gadgets. Plus, it reminds us of love and dreams. The girls are going to a picnic, but Jackie can't hold everything in her hands. It's so inconvenient that there's so much stuff, but only 2 hands to hold it with. Keep calm. Her friend comes to the rescue. Use this life-saving Sac Purse. Dissolve acrylic fabric paints in water. Pour the paint water into an ice mold. Let it freeze. Put a white canvas bag into a container and put the colored ice cubes on top of it. Melt it using a hairdryer and let the bag dry completely. Pass a bright ribbon through the bag and tie a colored tassel. This rainbow sac purse appeared in our life in the nick of time. All our stuff will fit into it. This is handy and practical. My hands are free now. The girls thoroughly prepared for the picnic. There is actually so much stuff in this bag. It will be enough for a whole week, and some of these things are pretty useless. I wonder what my friend needs these balls for. Is she touring with a circus? It turns out to be a new game. Cut strips from felt. Hot glue them to the sides of 2 felt rectangles. Make straps. Connect sides with a strip of felt too. Now we've got a vest. Cut Velcro into squares and hot glue the soft sides to the vest and attach the other side of the Velcro to light balls. They easily stick to the vest. The rules of the game are very simple. First, we put on the vests, and the task is to attach as many balls as possible to your opponent. The balls are quick and don't attach right away. You need special skills to nail it. But Jackie truly deserves her title of Sticky Games MVP. Samantha catches up. The balls keep sticking to the vests. The score ends in a tie. It's just a friendly game. Jackie wants to make a card, but her artistic muse left her for some reason. Don't get upset. Samantha knows a great technique which will help you make design prints on paper. Cut the bottom off a cabbage. Apply acrylic paint to it. Make stamps with the colored cabbage on an empty card. Cut a bell pepper and make imprints with it the same way. Tie thick knitting yarn around a square container. Apply paint and make imprints on paper. Dip a feather into paint and leave a colored print. Jackie's muse came back. The only thing left to do is to sign the card and seal it with a kiss. Handmade cards have never been so easy. It's time for some tea secrets. Jackie has some confidential news secured with 7 seals. Or just 1 seal, but it's a very fancy one. Put a card into an envelope. Hot glue a coin to a cap. It will be a handle. Melt crayon remains over a candle. Pour the melted wax onto the envelope and place the coin onto it quickly. Take the seal away when the wax hardens. I can't wait to tear it open. I want to read this secret message, but it turns out that there is only a card hidden inside. My friend Jackie is a professional when it comes to arranging shenanigans out of thin air. My friend is like a living treasure chest of accessories. A table turns into an accessory shop once she starts taking all her decorations off. I made a simple accessory holder just for her. Put decorative stones onto the bottom of a glass bowl. Hot glue them to each other. Take the base out of the bowl and hot glue new stones along the perimeter. Turn the stand over and hot glue 4 stones so that their flat parts are outside. These are legs. Now all of the Blue-Eyed Girl's accessories will be collected and in order. A mountain of gems is standing on the table, but this holder is multifunctional. You can put a candle on it, or you can use it as a coaster for a cup. The Blue-Eyed Girl has applied some bright makeup. It's the perfect time to take a mirror selfie. But the mirror seems to be so empty and boring. It's so sad that I can't use a filter on it. But Samantha has an idea. A selfie in a colorful mirror. Cover a part of the mirror near the frame with a marker. Apply a few drops of rubbing alcohol on top. Do the same with different colors. Dry the stains you get. Your selfie will be much more fun with a mirror like this. A little color never killed anybody, and your reflection looks brighter too. Did you like our life hacks? Then write in the comments which crafting idea you will bring to life. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks on Troom.